Hey there, fellas. In this video, yet another experiment. Here's what we're up to. Recently, someone made the suggestion. We were getting an alternator fixed, discussing brushes and so on, graphite and whatnot. And the guys were like, oh yeah, graphite, well... You are aware that pencils also contain graphite, aren't you? And why don't we see if it's gonna conduct electricity? You probably see where this is going. We've got some spark plugs, these pencils, and here's what we're doing. We'll carefully extract these ceramic bits from the plugs. Well, of course, we first need to see if these conduct electricity. If it so happens that they do, we'll carefully remove the ceramic bits from the plugs and replace those, the conductors that you have inside of them, with pencils. We'll have them secured with the help of something like JB Weld, for example. From there, we screw them into the cylinders, where the spark plugs would have been. Then we connect some wires to the graphite and attempt to start the engine with pencil-type spark plugs. Sounds like a nutty idea, but that's just sort of how we roll. We are super curious to see if this works, so let's give it a try. Let's go. Now we just need to check. Let's try this out. Very good. Stop. You'll see that it actually does conduct electricity. Very well, I might add. Hit it. Excellent. Terrific. Though it is a bit, sparks usually have a purplish hue, while here it's sort of reddish. Regardless, this actually worked. Now we take the plugs, remove the ceramic isolation, carefully glue in the pencils. And how long do you think it'll run? We'll get back to that later once we put everything back together. Let's go. Originally uploaded in 2019. Pulled out the ceramic bit, fitted a pencil with the help of some JB Weld. I bent the electrode out of the way to be able to clean the inside, but the problem with that is you can't bend it too many times. You can slightly to adjust the gap, but straightening it and bending it back into position, the thing with that is they like to break away. And so doing that, I have to be very careful. Now we remove these spark plugs, screw in the modified pencil plugs, okay, let's have a look. Terrific, the contact point is located right in the middle. Can't say they're well secured. We can bend the springs a bit, but then we won't be able to fit them to regular plugs. You would have seen us fit the pencil spark plugs, all of that is good. We did have to remove the rubber sleeves and open up the metal rings slightly and stick the pencils deep into them. Because with ignition leads, the central core is right in the middle, and so when you put them all the way on, the contact is right up against the pencil lead. And so we are ready, it's time to start the engine. I don't really want to be standing here. Turn the wipers off, dude. All right, let her rip. Oh, for real? Keep trying. Oh, wait, one of them is misfiring. Hold on, I didn't quite get it all the way on. What about this one? This one feels good. Oh, I can smell burning. Try that again. Give it some gas. We might have flooded them. Hooray! Holy cow. Come on now. Give it some gas. It's running, guys. We replaced. It spat one out. And another one. Terrific. But wait a second. Two of them evacuated. Look at what has become of them. Let me get the light. So the pencil was glued together out of two halves, and there's the result. The glue couldn't take the high pressure, neither could the JB weld. It was carefully forced out of the plugs. This pencil over here was broken off. Okay, part of the pencil is still inside the cylinder. Well, I mean, what can you do? It is what it is. But we still have two intact plugs. We need to keep trying to start it. We know for a fact that this engine can run on two cylinders. Right, we fitted two regular spark plugs, stock ones for a Lada, to ensure the engine starts well. This is where things get interesting, and hopefully from here we actually get somewhere. Are we all ready? No? Let's go. They're working! Okay, one of them is cooked. Come on, give it some gas. So it caved in under pressure, then started to burn. Because at first we saw sparks, and then the pencil came out. And we got burn marks over here as well. Yep. We are down to the most reliable plug in cylinder number 1. It does not want to quit. We've got a camera pointed at it, but we'll force it to quit. We are now running 3 standard plugs and one that was made out of a pencil. That'll do. You and your pedal work. Smells like firewood in here. There was no need to smash the gas. It would have slowly burned up anyway. I bet the exhaust smells like pencils. Over here it defo smells of burned wood. What do we got? There was no need to work the gas pedal. It was burning very well. All the way to the core. Check that out. But the lead was holding up, yeah. This was keeping it together and, oh. There was a film on the wood, and it was torn off. So, yeah, the film was torn off. I actually made a few recesses. That was a must. On this one, I presume? Oh, yeah, but then, nah, I did on all of them. Some charred wood. Nice. So guys, you would have seen the car. I mean, it didn't run for long, but I think that if we do some modifications, use high-quality pencils and glue, and wait for however long it was specified for the glue to dry, like 24 or 48 hours, I think we can have some fun, and successfully start and run the engine on pencils. So after all is said and done, this experiment has gone pretty well, I'd say. The engine ran with pencils as spark plugs, even if not for long. Still, the fact of the matter is it ran. If you enjoyed this experiment and would like to see something similar, let us know down below. Comment, give this video a like, follow us on the gram, and that's it for this video. Catch you guys later.